Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I know you can't hear me. Luke, I am your father. Told you I have a respirator. We were doing more rebuilding. So, I wanted to clarify a little bit. I know most of the people watching, all 3 or 4 of you, it's all in the garage. Let's come out here. Understand what I mean when I say we do a krylon rebuild. That's that needs a little more rebuilding on top, and we just kind of rebuild it a little on top. And then we just, clean. Perfect. There. Fully rebuilt. Now, I mean this in the most sarcastic state that I can. That is a full rebuild. But, in saying that, we did actually put bearings on the carrier. I didn't go into here because, well, I didn't want to screw with that because that's a whole lot of, I didn't want to do it. And yeah, so we didn't do that. And it wasn't leaking. My good buddy Bruno the Redneck will go with the, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And we're following that to a T. It's mint. So, we did do a sort of halfway rebuild on this. The carrier has brand new bearings. I did set the lash. We checked the gear. Everything's good. We put a locker inside it. It's got the disc brake set up on it now. This rebuild in a can is drying right now. That stuff, I tell you what, that stuff right there is something else. It's, don't breathe it. You don't want it in your lungs. The respirator does not work very well with a beard, I will tell you that much. But it's better than trying to do it without a respirator. That stuff will settle in your lungs and it's not good. So, anyway, that's update from the other night. This is rebuild day 2. So yeah, that'll be done. Well, let's see. We'll let this dry a little bit longer, and then we'll start putting discs and calipers on it, and hell, maybe I'll throw some tires on there. I mean, with the wheels, of course. Obviously. Oops. Tires and wheels. It's so funny. Anyway. So yeah, we'll go with that. So yeah. Fully rebuilt, brand new, off the factory floor. Ford 8-inch. Have a good night, guys.